what a beautiful day it is!
Oh, Sammy, thanks for the treats. The cookies are just the best.
Yeah, this is my special recipe! What? What just happened to Belle? Help! Jasmine, help me please! Belle has just become a paper princess! This is some evil magic! What's happening? Aurora! Ariel! Save me! Oh, TV Dama!
Sammy, what is that noise? I can't hear my own thoughts.
My beautiful dolls are enchanted! They're all paper now! See for yourself!
Maybe they found out that I prepared new outfits and decided to try them on.
A paper fashion show? Well, I'm totally in! Oh, friends, you're here already! Check out this spacious wardrobe! And here's another one with so, are these wig mannequins?
Yep, we'll have 3 wardrobes to fit in all our ideas. Hi, everyone.
And what are these question marks on top?
Well, that's because today we'll have a Wheel of Fortune. Every participant will try her luck. By spinning the wheel, they'll know which outfits and accessories they're gonna wear. Sounds cool, right?
Whoa, shivery cheddars, give us a thumbs up! But where are all the outfits?
Huh? Everything is in this box, but I don't remember how to open it.
Easy peasy, Alhamora! I said Alhamora! Hey,
Wait.
open up!
Try again now.
In the name of the king, open up! My precious.
Check out how many beautiful things are here. I have the same top.
Since when the king's subjects are the first to look at the beautiful things?
Your Highness, you're interfering with the process.
With your head! What was that? I don't feel so good.
I think I caught it, friends. It's because of this crown Sam was acting weird. Our princesses can't wait, so it's time to put all the outfits in their places.
Ladies, keep calm! I can't hold them! Who's first, Sue?
Let's do alphabetically. My name starts with an A. Hey, mine also starts with an A, and you're a mermaid with an M.
Girls, don't fight. Let's find a solution. Pocahontas!
It's always like that. Ew, this time the enchanted crown helped. So, shall we spin the wheel? And you get a cute diamond.
Oh, no makeover can do without Monsieur Magnifique.
So much beauty. I want to try everything. Since we're changing your looks here, let's do it completely.
Let me help you, mademoiselle. All right. This option will be a perfect fit.
Let's try it on now. Here you go. The skirt looks amazing. And this sports-style jacket is just stunning. Now we need a matching pair of shoes. Ta-da! I already know what to take.
Oui, these wedge heels are trendy now. And a matching bag.
Super! Let's do something about her hair now. Where's our third wardrobe? Here it is.
I didn't get it, Sue. Which hairstyle corresponds to our symbol?
I guess we need to try several styles.
What are you doing? I'm already perfect.
Okay, let's see. No, not this. That's a no too. What if exactly what we need? Voila! The first look is complete. Pocahontas, you look wonderful.
We have 5 more cool makeovers to go. Stay tuned. Oh, my feta. Sue, how to choose the next princess? They're all waiting.
Don't panic. I have the solution. I'll spin the wheel, and next comes
A tiger. It's Raja. So the one who's getting a new look is
Princess Jasmine. Let's go to the wardrobe, beautiful. Are you ready? Let's choose your new look. A denim sundress.
I bet it was more comfortable to fly on the rug in her old chiffon pants. Wow!
Something tells me she'll get a new way to move around quickly. And now, well, what did I say? Here are your new roller skates. And we can't do without a bag.
Look, Susie! Raja wants to choose Jasmine's hairdo himself!
I guess he doesn't want it to differ much from what she used to have. But I still want to add some stylish details. And here's our princess number 2 in a new look. What do you say, Jasmine? I just love it.
Uh-oh, the rock doesn't recognize its old friend. I'm falling down. Ah! Mulan, you're my savior. So let her spin the wheel next for catching me.
Yes, heroic deeds should be rewarded. Here we go. Take your hint, dear princess. First, as always, we need to get rid of the previous look. Let's see. What? But there were no tails in this collection.
Ariel, are you throwing your things around again?
This look is great for a dinner in a posh restaurant. I hope there's no confusion with the shoes. No, everything's okay. A perfect pair of dragon-style heels.
And here's the matching bag. But nothing fits in there except for a lipstick.
Did you want her to take a doggy bag from the restaurant?
Well, I like it when you bring tasty things from your dates with Roger.
Let's see. I say it looks very interesting. What do you think, Mulan? Nope. And what about this one? I'm just kidding. Here's a hairdo that matches your style. Hop.
Shiver me chatters. Now that is what I call a total makeover. Awesome! Friends, do you like it? Give us a thumbs up and don't go anywhere. We keep spinning the fortune wheel. This time the hand that we get is...
Wait, Sammy.
Huh?
You didn't say who our next model is.
Oh! I totally forgot! I prepared the hint!
Oh, I know who it is. It almost looks like Chip the Cub, Belle's friend. How interesting. It looks like plate fabric. So let's see what's next.
I will take care of your dress, princess.
What a gentleman. Let's see what our wardrobe has to offer to us. Uh-oh. Something went wrong. Oh no, friends, look at this. What a mess. It doesn't work anymore.
No time to cry. Everything is gonna be all right. Super crafty Sam will fix it in a few seconds. Okay, I need a wrench.
A wrench?
A comb.
A comb?
A cookie.
A cookie? Wait, why do you need a cookie?
I'm just a bit hungry. All done, Susie.
Let's check it. Awesome! Thanks, Crafty Sam. And here's your perfect look. Princess, you're just stunning. Now I'm a bit scared to change the wardrobe. Phew.
Relax, Crafty Sam knows his business.
I guess he also knows his shoes. These are just awesome. My favorite style. Now for the bag. Oh, what a cute doggy. Come to your owner. Belle will have 2 funny ponytails like these. And another fashion look is ready. Perfect for a walk in the park.
Sue, we have 2 princesses left, but none of them wants to be the last one.
Well then, we've got no other choice but to dress up both of them at the same time. The heart hand is for Ariel. And the ice cream one is for Aurora. Awesome! There's an ice cream on this top too. Then it's yours. As well as these lovely mini shorts. Ariel, you have a tail. We'll fix it now. Huh? Now we can proceed. Today, your choice is a trendy pink set. Very cool.
Excuse me, do you need a matching slime?
Okay, next, let's deal with the hairstyles now.
That's weird. Ariel should have red hair, but here it says it's for Aurora.
Well, if it says so, then we'll follow the instructions. Aurora, how do you like it? It's like you have a totally new look, Ariel.
And now for the shoes. Uh-oh. I guess I didn't fix it right. Maybe no one will notice.
So as the hint says, it's your bag, Ariel. Very stylish. I want one too. And the shoes are super trendy this season. Let's check it with the hint. Wait, this is something new?
Sorry, Sue. The ice cream hint was for me. I love it so much.
Oh, so we mixed up some details. But we can fix it easily. All our princesses got their new looks. Are you ready to see them all? Here we go! looks good on you too. Now try these roller skates on. Oh, I love it when you can mix and match clothes that easily. Oh, so awesome. This is so much fun to play with them. But where's Sammy?
Like this. Let's put some cups right here.
Sammy!
Oh, did you miss me? I thought that with paper dolls, the tea should also be a paper one.
Well, then you can have this paper cake. Enjoy!
Paper cake? I didn't think about this.
Friends, thanks for being with us. Give us a thumbs up if you like our paper dolls too.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you very soon. Bye-bye.